Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm just gonna talk to you guys on how uh, we can install Office applications. So we're just gonna talk briefly on how to install Office application from the admin portal. All you need to do is go to your browser and you search for office.com. You sign in using your Microsoft account. You can sign in. So when you sign in to this interface, all you need to do is to you see this part that says install and more. You click on it. Now it takes you to a newer path. It takes you to this portal where you can actually install Office application. So all you need to do is come down to apps and devices. You can check your subscriptions here. You need to come to apps and devices, click on it. You can install all Office applications. Let me refresh this. I already have Office applications already, so I don't need to install it anymore. All you need to do is set the language you want, which is English. If it's 64-bit operating system or a 32-bit, mine is a 64-bit. You click on install. It starts installing. You open it, your file explorer. If you open it, it tells you to install. I do not want to install because I already have it installed. So it says if I want to change it, I just want you guys to see how it works. We're getting ready. This is the easiest way to install Office applications. There are other methods of installing that. We can use the ODT, the Office Deployment Tool. We can use different methods, but this is like the easiest method if you go through your admin portal. Alright, so it's starting. So this is it. It's gonna take a while. Okay, we're all set, and that's it. Yeah, it's all uploaded. So if I search for the Excel, we're all set. Alright, so that's it. Thank you.